Welcome to Motors Sports Mania, the ultimate destination for car enthusiasts who crave in-depth analysis, detailed reviews, and the latest updates from the automotive world. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated sedans of the upcoming year, the 2026 Honda Accord Hybrid. Honda has long been known for its blend of reliability, efficiency, and subtle luxury, and the 2026 Accord Hybrid continues this legacy with a fresh new take on design, performance, and technology that aims to redefine the midsize sedan segment once again. At first glance, the 2026 Honda Accord Hybrid impresses with a refined yet aggressive exterior design that feels more athletic than ever. The front fascia is sleek and purposeful, with a sharp grille and redesigned LED headlights that stretch seamlessly into the body, giving the car a futuristic and aerodynamic look. The profile lines flow smoothly across the body, enhancing the sedan's length and presence on the road. The 19-inch alloy wheels, available on higher trims, complement the sporty stance while offering a premium aesthetic. Honda also introduces new color options for 2026, including an eye-catching ocean mist blue and a bold crimson red pearl, catering to those who want style with substance. Under the hood, the 2026 Accord Hybrid features Honda's latest generation two-motor hybrid system. The combination of a 2.0-liter Atkinson cycle 4-cylinder engine and two electric motors delivers a total output of around 204 horsepower. This setup ensures smooth acceleration and exceptional fuel efficiency. The transitions between electric and gas power are nearly seamless, offering a driving experience that feels both responsive and natural. The ECVT transmission continues to provide a smooth ride with minimal gear shift interruptions, making city and highway driving equally enjoyable. Fuel economy is where the Accord Hybrid truly shines, delivering up to an estimated 48 miles per gallon combined, depending on the trim and driving conditions. This makes it an ideal choice for commuters and eco-conscious drivers alike. The driving dynamics have been further refined for 2026, with better weight distribution, improved suspension tuning, and enhanced steering feedback. The Accord Hybrid feels more agile than before, with precise cornering and solid road grip. Honda's engineers have also worked on improving cabin quietness by reducing wind and road noise through additional sound insulation and refined aerodynamics. Whether you're cruising on the highway or maneuvering through city traffic, the car maintains a smooth and confident demeanor. Inside, the cabin continues Honda's tradition of practicality and comfort but elevates it with more premium touches and advanced technology. The dashboard design is minimalist yet sophisticated, with soft-touch materials, metallic accents, and a floating infotainment display. The centerpiece is a massive 12.3-inch touchscreen that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, voice control, and a more intuitive user interface. Physical buttons for climate control and essential functions ensure ease of use while driving. The digital driver display behind the steering wheel is customizable and offers real-time hybrid power flow, navigation prompts, and safety alerts. Space remains a key strength of the Accord Hybrid. The front seats offer excellent legroom and support for long drives, while the rear seats provide ample space for adult passengers. Honda's signature magic with interior packaging ensures that the hybrid battery does not eat into trunk space, retaining over 16 cubic feet of cargo capacity. The fold-down rear seats add more practicality for transporting larger items. Whether it's daily commutes, family road trips, or business travel, the Accord Hybrid meets the demand with both comfort and flexibility. Safety has always been a priority for Honda, and the 2026 Accord Hybrid is equipped with the latest version of Honda Sensing. This suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, traffic jam assist, road departure mitigation, and a refined collision mitigation braking system. For 2026, Honda has improved camera and radar systems for better object detection and smoother intervention. New features include a driver attention monitor, automatic speed limit recognition, and an upgraded blind spot information system with rear cross traffic alert. The Accord Hybrid also earns top scores in crash tests, thanks to its reinforced body structure and comprehensive airbag coverage. Technology lovers will appreciate the upgraded connectivity options. The 2026 Accord Hybrid offers built-in Google integration on higher trims, allowing access to Google Maps, Assistant, and Play Store directly from the infotainment system. The wireless charging pad, multiple USB-C ports, and available 12-speaker Bose premium sound system further enhance the in-car experience. Remote start, walk-away auto lock, and a digital key that works via smartphone app make daily life more convenient and secure. Trim levels include the base Sport Hybrid, XL Hybrid, Sport L Hybrid, and Touring Hybrid, each offering a slightly different mix of comfort, tech, and performance features. The Touring Hybrid stands at the top of the line with ventilated seats, leather upholstery, built-in navigation, and advanced parking sensors. Pricing starts competitively and scales reasonably with each trim, making the Accord Hybrid accessible without sacrificing key features. One of the most commendable aspects of the 2026 Honda Accord Hybrid is how well it balances innovation with familiarity. It builds on the strengths of previous generations while introducing thoughtful improvements that cater to modern drivers. Whether you value fuel savings, environmental friendliness, cutting-edge technology, or simply a smooth and comfortable ride, this sedan checks nearly every box. Honda's commitment to electrification without sacrificing performance or user experience is clearly evident in this model. With rivals like the Toyota Camry Hybrid and Hyundai Sonata Hybrid also pushing forward, the midsize hybrid sedan segment is more competitive than ever. However, the Accord holds its own with a reputation for longevity, outstanding resale value, and strong dealership support. It continues to be a benchmark for the class, and the 2026 model only solidifies that position. So that wraps up our in-depth look at the 2026 Honda Accord Hybrid. If you're in the market for a smart, stylish, and efficient